Long 15 informal adjectives for daily use. Tipsy. Slightly drunk or not fully drunk. I am not drunk, just a little tipsy. He was tipsy and started laughing at everything. Cranky. Irritable, easily annoyed, or in a bad mood. Don't talk to her right now. She is feeling cranky. My boss is in a cranky mood today. Gutsy. Brave, bold, or showing courage. She made a gutsy decision to start her own business. You have to be gutsy to travel the world alone. Clingy. A person who always wants to be with someone all the time and doesn't want to leave them. My cat is so clingy, she follows me everywhere. She calls me 10 times a day. That's so clingy. Soggy. Wet, soft, or soaked with water or other liquid, usually in an unpleasant way. The bread is too soggy to use for sandwiches. The ground is soggy after the heavy rain. I need dry socks. These are soggy. Lousy. Something very bad, poor in quality, or unpleasant, often to show disappointment or discomfort. The weather is lousy today. I am in a lousy mood. Don't talk to me right now. The food at that restaurant was lousy. Nosy. Someone who is too interested in other people's private lives or business. Don't be so nosy, it's none of your business. My brother is very nosy. He reads my messages. Creepy. Scary, strange, or making you feel uncomfortable. That old house looks really creepy at night. I don't like walking alone in this creepy street. Drowsy. Feeling sleepy or tired, almost ready to fall asleep. Don't drive if you're feeling drowsy. I was so drowsy that I almost fell asleep on the bus. Hefty. Large, heavy, or strong either in size, amount, or force. He is carrying a hefty bag on his shoulder. He ate a hefty meal after the workout. He paid a hefty fine for breaking the rules. Giddy. Feeling very excited and happy, sometimes in a silly or dizzy way. She was giddy with excitement before her birthday. He was giddy after winning the game. Stop spinning me, I'm getting giddy. Sloppy. Something that is messy, untidy, careless, or done without attention to detail. Your handwriting is so sloppy, I can't read it. The room looks sloppy, please clean it up. He gave me a sloppy hug before leaving. Snobby. Someone who thinks they are better than others, often because of money, looks, or status. My friend became snobby after getting rich. She is nice, but her friends are snobby. Gloomy. Sad or unhappy, related to mood or feelings. Don't be so gloomy, things will get better. I don't like gloomy movies, they make me sad. Gloomy. Dark or dim, related to weather or lighting. The weather is so gloomy, I just want to stay in bed. The room was gloomy without any lights. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.